I'm Bob Meller, Color Services Manager here at IT Supplies with today's tech tip. So you're printing, but you don't want to run to the take-up reel. And the reality is sometimes these medias want some weight to them so that they can advance properly through the printer. Perhaps you're getting scuffs, you're getting head strikes. Well, HP has solved the problem with the Media Feed Accessory. The Media Feed Accessory is right here. It's a weighted accessory that you can use to help feed the media through the machine. So the first thing that you want to do is advance your media through the platen, and then you go, and this is magnetic, so you will go ahead and you will open this up and get ready, and then we just simply bring up the media from below. So let's go ahead. And then we can simply go ahead and back up the media into the machine. And now the media will sit properly as you begin printing.